Before you make the decision to buy SimplePractice, there are a few crucial things you need to know to ensure it's the right fit for your practice. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 important aspects of the software that could change the way you approach your business management. Stick around till the end, because I'll be revealing some exclusive benefits to help you make an informed decision. First up, let's talk about the pricing structure. Unlike some of its competitors like Practice Fusion or Therapy Notes, SimplePractice offers a tiered pricing model that's flexible for different sizes of practices. Whether you're a solo practitioner or running a larger group practice, SimplePractice provides options that scale with your business. The basic plan starts at a competitive rate, but it's important to note that certain features, like telehealth and advanced reporting, come with higher tier plans. So, if you're just getting started, the basic plan may be enough, but keep in mind the added costs as you grow. Next thing to consider is its user interface. SimplePractice has made a name for itself in this area by offering a clean, intuitive design. When compared to other software like Careo, which some find overly complicated, SimplePractice is generally praised for its ease of use. For new users, the platform is simple to navigate, with most features accessible from a single dashboard. That said, some users report that the learning curve for more advanced features, like setting up client portals or customizing notes, can be a little steep. But once you get the hang of it, it's smooth sailing. The third thing to be aware of is the client communication features. SimplePractice excels here with built-in tools for secure messaging, reminders, and scheduling. It also includes a customizable client portal, which is great for practices looking to allow clients to book appointments, fill out intake forms, or even pay their bills online. However, compared to something like Theranest, some users feel that SimplePractice could do more in terms of automating client follow-ups. But overall, it's a strong feature set that is likely to meet the needs of most therapists and health professionals. Next thing you need to know is how SimplePractice handles insurance billing. If you're in a practice that accepts insurance, you'll appreciate the built-in insurance verification, claim submission, and payment posting features. While competitors like Careo offer similar functionality, SimplePractice stands out for its smooth integration with major insurance providers and its ability to track claims. However, one downside is that it doesn't support as many insurance carriers as some other platforms. If you rely heavily on insurance, you may want to double-check if your specific providers are covered. The fifth thing you should know is SimplePractice's telehealth functionality. With remote work on the rise, this feature is a must-have. SimplePractice's telehealth service is fully HIPAA compliant and integrates seamlessly into the platform. It's one of the standout features that makes SimplePractice a great choice for those who need to provide virtual sessions. It works well compared to competitors like Doxy.me, which is often seen as a simpler standalone tool. However, if you don't need telehealth features, it's something to keep in mind when choosing your plan, as it's only available on the higher pricing tiers. The sixth thing is the customer support and resources that SimplePractice offers. Their help center is robust with articles, webinars, and video tutorials to guide you through any issues you might encounter. Some competitors, like Theranest, may have a similar help center, but users report that SimplePractice's live chat support is quicker and more responsive. It's also worth mentioning that SimplePractice offers a free trial, so you can test out all the features before committing to a plan. And lastly, the mobile app. SimplePractice provides both iOS and Android apps that allow practitioners to manage their practice on the go. The app includes scheduling, billing, and note-taking features, all while maintaining the same intuitive design as the desktop version. It's an area where SimplePractice really shines compared to competitors like Practice Fusion, which lacks a strong mobile app. That said, some users have pointed out that the app can be a bit laggy at times, especially when it comes to syncing large files or handling a high volume of clients. So, before you buy SimplePractice, make sure to carefully consider these 7 points. Whether you're a solo practitioner or managing a group, it offers a lot of flexibility and robust features that can improve your practice management. If you want to try out SimplePractice for yourself and see if it's the right fit for you, make sure to click the first link in the description for the best free trial and exclusive benefits.